I'm Rick Thorpe from the LLM program at the University of Pittsburgh. The question I've been asked today is, my partner and I want to spend our time in the U.S. together. Is there the option of applying as a couple to the law school or to the law school in another school in your university? That's a great question. Some of the best students have come to our program because they had a partner who was coming to Pittsburgh to study or to work. That said, there's no such thing as a joint application to an LLM program. You and your partner will each submit your own applications, and I and the other members of the admissions committee will weigh each application on its own merits. Now that means that you and your partner need to start your application process by being brutally honest with one another about your respective strengths and weaknesses as applicants. While your love for one another may be equally strong, it's usually unlikely that your applications will be. You should try to apply to schools that, on the one hand, are reasonably likely to accept the partner with the weaker academic or work record, but which, on the other hand, the stronger of the two of you will still be excited to attend. Should you tell the schools to which you're applying that you and your partner are trying to be in the same program or in the same university for your studies? You always face the risk that an unsympathetic admissions committee member may view such a communication as showing a lack of faith in the ability of your individual applications to stand on their own merits. On the other hand, a sympathetic officer can't take your situation into account if they don't know about it. For example, if I know that I have two applicants who are spouses or significant others, well, I'm human. I'm likely to try to make some allowances to see if I can keep that couple together and have both in my program. But bear in mind, this only comes into play at the margins. Ultimately, I am still looking at each application on its own merits. And I'm not going to vote to admit a truly weak student just because they have an academic star as a partner. As with any move as a couple, you'll have some difficult decisions to make, but a good balance of personal and professional outcomes can often be found. Good luck, and I hope to see you at one of the EducationUSA LLM fairs this fall.